Summer is full of life. Imagine all the green grass and trees that stand firm towards the sky. I be somewhere there hanging on the branches like the nest. The nest is a place where a bird gives birth and reside. Dream hard and might grow wings and flying to the sky. Random words flow like the Nile well. I chill with the stars along the Milky Galaxy. My mind spiral, goes like a whirlwind it goes. She vigorously scratches her head. She was born schizophrenic. She's 21 already as a 4-year-old son. She was raised by her uncle named Oscar. Oscar, the son of that old counterclerk of awkward posture. His papa was a priest in the Black Rhodesian church, and the brother, it's unlike comedy in Yazonia. Inland operation, more bloodshed in August. Tochema Magamba. Mama made me strong. I could walk around this world in peace and find a home among the people and call them a family. Your family is anywhere you welcome any hour. Cause love comes natural, the only true power. In the awakening of self-realization, I cater for the time lost now that the sun is my mentor. Tourism Mbira zangu, on top of the mountain where the voices of my predecessors echo. People living in the illusion of independence. The struggle continues until the mind is liberated. A luta continua towards disturbing directions. Yes, I'm talking about the African elite's corruption. Emotional patriotic sentiments in my voice. With the flake in the face of the crooked evil servants. The flag that devastated the motherland. Years of blood spilled in vain. Pluvio field, I'ma love the rain. Let the children play in the beauty of the rainbow. I'll sing forever cause love is eternal. The music so delightful, the brilliance is essential. I recite the song down by the river. I once danced with Gina, the sweetness with the fine figure. At times, she craves for oranges and ginger beer. She laughs till she cries, the snow sweet as she slips. The smile in my heart I keep. Every time I think of it, it skips a bit. The freedom of a bootleg road dip.